Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Blaze2K. Thank you for clicking on the video. Glad to have you here. Please drop a like down below, hit the subscribe, click the bell icon for more EveryPlate videos. But anyways, yeah, the purpose of the video is to talk about something called EveryPlate. I found this little service. I've been wanting to try different meals, but I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on like all the different ingredients I'd need to make different meals and try new things. I'm not very good at finding recipes, let alone shopping for the stuff you need to make the recipes, right? And I try and eat simple, right? I just have a chicken breast and a potato like every night for dinner because it's simple. But when I do go grocery shopping, I find that I end up spending a fortune on groceries, like buying different ingredients, even just for my simple meals, right? Like your frozen fruits, your vegetables, your spinach, and your all that sort of stuff, your chicken, potatoes, it all adds up, and I end up spending a fortune every week on groceries, and I don't even eat that much of a varied diet in terms of different stuff. Well, I was kind of interested in these little food meal delivery services. Now, what I like about EveryPlate here is that they're the best value meal kit in America, right? And you're basically spending about $5 or less on every meal. When you think about that, that's a damn good bit cheaper than fast food, right? Fast food's getting more expensive, groceries are getting more expensive, and I've actually found EveryPlate is actually pretty damn competitive when it comes to the prices. And they send basically the exact amount of all the ingredients you need to make all these cool recipes and meals, right? And everything's fresh and it gets delivered every week. It's like super easy. You don't have to go to the grocery store anymore. And I've signed up for it myself, and I recommend you guys maybe consider trying it too, because there's a really good deal right now. So use my link, blaze2k.com/EveryPlate. So that's blaze2k.com/EveryPlate. I'll put a link in the description, and go sign up. You'll get an amazing blinder of a deal, and in fact, a really good deal like this one. Get your first meal box for $1.49 a meal, and I believe you might even get more if you use my code. If you use my link, I'll put it in the description. So basically, what you do, right, is you choose from 17 delicious, affordable recipes that change every week. So every week you're getting different recipes, different ingredients to make awesome meals, right? It's insane. You get to choose what recipes you want for that week. Then you deliver it fresh to your door in a box with like chill packs and stuff in it to keep it cool and fresh. And then you basically follow the simple recipes using the stuff you already have in your kitchen. They provide the rest, and you've got a home-cooked, fresh, delicious meal in like 30 minutes or less, right? And it's healthy. You don't have to go grocery shopping. You don't have to buy more stuff than you need. You know, it actually works out pretty well money-wise. You save time, skip the tedious trips to the grocery store. You save money. You enjoy tasty dinners that won't break the bank at only $4.99 a serving. Or if you use my link, blaze2k.com/EveryPlate, $1.49 per serving. Like, you can't beat that. And easy to cook. Our recipes have only 6 simple steps and will turn you into a chef. Now let's see the menu and see some of the sorts of things you'll be able to make. Smothered and stuffed meatloaves with potato wedges. Look at those. Are those not the best potato wedges you've ever seen? Garlic rosemary chicken. Oh, that looks bloody good. Greek pork meatball bowls. Hibachi style chicken stir fry. Hair butter steak, firehouse mac and cheese, gravy smothered pork chops, gooey stuffed pork burgers, Tunisian spiced apricot beef tagine, roasted bell pepper flatbreads, cheesy chicken and pepper quesadillas, Italian wedding soup, scallop linguine, Tex-Mex white bean and rice balls, chickpea and spinach linguine, crispy chickpea couscous balls, blackened steak salad, loaded pork potato wedges, sweet and spicy ponzu pork meatballs, and Cajun chicken sandwiches. And this is just this week. Wait till you see next week. Look at this. This is next week's menu that you can choose from. And what I like about this compared to other meal delivery services like what was it called, Freshly. I tried Freshly before, and they basically send you microwavable meals that you just shove in a microwave. But the bad thing about those pre-made meals that you shove in a microwave is, first of all, you don't get much food. You're basically paying more than this. You're paying a premium bigger than this for microwavable meals that you can pick up at Walmart. High in sodium, not very filling, like 300 calories, right? What I like about these bad boys, or what I like about EveryPlate, is if you look at the portion size. Let me tap on this. The Super Smash Burgers. Per serving, you're getting 1,010 calories. 1,010 calories per serving. And let's say you order 5 meals for 2 people. You know, you and the person you're also having that meal with, you're getting a good 1,000 calories for your dinner, as opposed to the little microwavable freshly meals that have like 300 calories in, right? So these things are filling. In fact, they might even do more than just 2 people. You might do 3 people, 4 people. You could actually probably split this up and, you know, feed more than the advertised people, you know, the advertised amount of people that you're ordering it for. So it's really good value. And like it says, this is the best value meal kit that you could find. I'm going to be getting my order at the weekend. I'm probably going to cook our first meal on a Monday next week. And I'm going to do an unboxing video and stuff and let you know how it is. And I'm excited. I really am. I'm excited to make food, make meals, fill in healthy, delicious looking meals, right? Something I'm not very good at doing anyway, as it is. I can't cook, I'll be honest, I can't cook. But after this, hopefully I'll be able to cook and make some good-ass food. And like it says, if you use my link, blaze2k.com/everyplate, you'll basically get a cracker of a deal, $1.49 a meal for your first box. And I think you get like 20% off your next 2 boxes after that. So 3 weeks worth of good valued food, right? And you get a nice varied diet throughout the week, right? You get to mix it up, have different foods, and it's cheaper than fast food, and it's fresh, delivered to your door. What could be better? Anyways, please drop a like down below, guys, if you like this video. Use my link, blaze2k.com/everyplate, to get that amazing deal and give this a try yourself. And like I says, subscribe, like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to be notified when I post the follow-up video, talking about my experience, my unboxing, and maybe having a go at actually making these meals, which I'm excited about. So anyways, guys, I love you. I know this isn't the sort of stuff I cover normally on the channel, but I'm just excited about it and I wanted to share it with you. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one.